Hello and welcome to the town of Gengenbach on a very beautiful September day. We had a lovely drive here through the Black Forest. It was a short drive, about 20 minutes from the campsite, but oh my goodness, what a difference. Stunning drive through all the windy bits. I thought I wanted to come to a Stellplatz to see how the Bürstner Elegance I would perform in a Stellplatz, and I'm so pleased, folks, because you remember last week every Stellplatz we came to was oversubscribed. Not this one. This is really nice. There's plenty of room at this Stellplatz. This was recommended to me by my friend Petra and Andy, who have a Bürstner Elegance I Harmony line, and they said yes, you can. There's a beautiful old town here, so we're going to look forward to going into the old town. There's electric hookups here if you need them, and yeah, we passed the water and the waste point as we come in. This is also on my Thetford Indus app as a possibility for emptying the Indus system. And now this is the machine, but at the bottom here we have the Union flag, so we do that. Please touch display to start. It is €10 for 24 hours, and tourist tax is €2.50. So touch display to start. €10. Okay, and then we've got to say how many adults. 1 adult. Okay, so we can pay with cash or card at this one, and that's €12.50. And we have card processing. Please wait. Hold the line, please, caller. Printing my ticket. Yay! Take my card. Sorry, Dougal, are we boring you? Yep, and there's my ticket. And we've got a little reminder receipt as well to take with us, so we know what time we got till. We got till 2:24 tomorrow. So what do you reckon to that, Dougal? What do you reckon to that? He doesn't look very interested. No change there. Right, let's go and put our ticket on the motorhome, Dougs. There's plenty of room here, as you can see, and we've made the best use of our overhang. So yep, so that's the, just put the ticket on there. So that's our ticket taken care of. Let's see what the score is with electricity. I think we're going to try and do without electricity tonight, unless it's free. Is it free? I doubt it's free. Aha, so if in doubt, folks, read the instructions. There's next to the pay machine here at the Stellplatz, there's our lovely motorhome. Hello. There's an information board, and I didn't think the electricity would be free. Die Stromversorgung erfüllt über die Stromschauer noch Verbrauch über Münzeinwurf €1 pro kilowatt hour. So there must be a means of having to pay. But while we're here, there's a little leaflet here in English. Walking tour of Gengenbach. Folks, that sounds like a plan. Because if you look at our bollard here, there is no means of paying for electricity. So let's go and see what the folks next door are doing and see if we can work out what's going on here. Because this electrical box is bigger. It's not that we want electricity, folks, it's just we're on a fact-finding mission now. So if you come to a German Stellplatz and you have the same thing, here we are. Achtung, Cable sagt Nummer 1 bis 8 und zurück. So this is pitches 1 to 8 and we're on pitch 8. So we would come here to pay for our electricity supply. That's how it works. You would plug into number 8, switch the dial like the old rediffusion dial to 8, and then you put your money in your slot. €1 for 1 kilowatt, right up to €50 coins for 50 kilowatts. So make sure you've got plenty of coinage on you if you're going to need electricity. We're going to try and do without tonight, have a bit of a night off grid, and then tomorrow I might even try and empty the Indus toilet. That's going to be exciting. Let's have a cup of tea and then we will go for a little stroll into Gengenbach. Quite looking forward to that. Okay, Dougal, are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Come on in. Let's go. Dougal, could you? Thank you. That is the end of a brilliant day. We had a lovely drive through the Black Forest. We found a great Stellplatz. We've had a lovely walking tour around the beautiful old town of Gengenbach, and then came back and made a nice meal. Just a perfect day. And the great thing is, Gengenbach isn't really on the international tourist map, and the only reason I found out about it was from my friend Petra. And if you don't have friends locally, you find these things out just by engaging your neighbours on a campsite or on a Stellplatz, just talking to people and asking for their advice. And other motorhomes have always got some great tips. So I think the big takeaway from this, folks, is yeah, have a rough plan, but always be prepared to deviate from that plan, and always engage people around you and chat with them and ask them for their recommendations, because you might just get a cracking recommendation like this one. Beautiful old town within walking distance of a great Stellplatz with loads of space. It's been absolutely top notch. So I hope you enjoyed that video today, folks. I certainly enjoyed making it. So a huge thank you to Bürstner UK, who have sponsored this video without influencing the content. Please check out the website for this beautiful Bürstner Elegance 910G. I can't say it without saying elegance. And also give them a follow on social media, because you can see a UK spec Elegance in the UK doing a Bürstner road show, and that's taking place during October. They're visiting all different Bürstner dealers throughout the UK with all these different vehicles, and you can see an Elegance for yourself. The dates are on Bürstner UK's social media, so do give them a little follow. I hope you enjoyed that video today, folks. As ever, if you did, you know what to do. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you don't already, and it just leaves me to say from Dougal, Dougal, please, from Dougal, oh gosh, he's going to phone the RSPCA in a minute. From Dougal and from me, thanks for tuning in. There. Did you enjoy your day in Gengenbach today, Dougal? Was that exciting? Was that exciting? Was that exciting? He never smiles.